Assalamu alaikum students, this is your teacher Rizwan Ali Pandit. Today our topic is nutrition in animals. In animals, the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. In case of animals, the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. In animals, the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic nutrition means they cannot prepare their own food. They depend on ready-made food made by the autotrophs. In case of animals, the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. On the basis of food habits, animals can be grouped into three categories: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores are those animals which eat only plant and plant products. Yeah, which eat only grass, plant and plant products. Example: goat, deer, cow, etc. Carnivores are those animals which eat only flesh, meat. Example: tiger, lion. Omnivores are those animals which eat both herbs, means plant and plant products, and flesh, animal product. Example: man, bear, dog, etc. Now, next, nutrition in lower forms of animals. Nutrition is lower forms of animals. Higher forms है हमारे पास multicellular animals, whereas this unicellular animals are amoeba और भी सारे हैं paramecium etc. In lower forms of animals, there is no well-developed digestive system because they are composed of only single cell, so there is no well-developed digestive system. The process of ingestion, intake of food, and egestion, exit of wastes, take place from the skin of the animal. In lower forms like amoeba, there is no mouth or fixed place for ingestion of food. The food is therefore engulfed by the amoeba and digested within the cell. The digested food is then assimilated and the remaining waste are thrown out. In case of lower forms, for example amoeba, there is no well-developed digestive system. The process of ingestion and egestion eg takes place from the skin of the animal. In lower forms, there is no mouth or fixed place for ingestion of food. The food is therefore engulfed by the amoeba and digested within the cell. The digested food is then assimilated and the remaining waste are thrown out. Next, nutrition in higher forms of animals. Example: man. Nutrition in higher forms is complex and the mode of nutrition is also heterotrophic. And which type of heterotrophic? We know that there are three types of heterotrophic nutrition: saprotrophic, parasitic, holozoic. But in case of higher forms like man, the nutrition is holozoic. Following steps are involved in the process of nutrition in higher animals. 5 steps हैं. First step, ingestion. Ingestion means in this step the nutrition in this step of nutrition the food is taken in. Intake of food means ingestion. Different animals use different organs for catching, holding, and putting food into the mouth. Next step is digestion. Digestion means the conversion of ingested food, which consists of complex insoluble food, into simple absorbable form, is called digestion. We can say the breakdown of complex food material into simpler forms. The breakdown of the ingested food which we take consists of complex insoluble food, and in digestion it is converted into simpler absorbable form. This is called digestion. Next step is absorption. The digested food is absorbed from the digestive tract and transported to all body parts. In this step, the digested food which gets digested is absorbed from the digestive tract, like intestines, and transported to all the body parts. Next step is assimilation. In this step, in assimilation, inside the living cell, the absorbed food material are used in obtaining energy and formation of new components for repair and growth of cells. It is an anabolic process. हमारे पास दो प्रोसेस होते हैं, कैटाबॉलिक एंड एनाबॉलिक. इंशाल्लाह आगे हम पढ़ेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज़ एनाबॉलिक प्रोसेस एंड व्हाट इज़ कैटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस. ये मेटाबॉलिज्म में आता है. एसिमिलेशन इनसाइड द लिविंग सेल, जब ये पहुंचता है कौन, डाइजेस्टेड फूड कहाँ, सेल में. द एब्जॉर्ब्ड फूड मटेरियल आर यूज्ड इन ऑब्टेनिंग एनर्जी. इससे क्या मिलती है, एनर्जी एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कंपोनेंट्स फॉर रिपेयर एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ सेल्स. लास्ट पॉइंट इज digestion. This is the final step in the process of nutrition. This is the final step in the process of nutrition in which the undigested components of food are thrown out of the body as fecal matter. जो फूड डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुआ है, जो अनडाइजेस्टेड है, जो वेस्ट है, वो बॉडी से हम बाहर फेंकते हैं. इसी के साथ आज का टॉपिक जो था न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स, हमने देखा इन केस ऑफ एनिमल्स द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज heterotropic on the basis of food habits. Animals can be grouped into three types, three categories: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores which eat only herbs, means plant product, grass. Carnivores which eat only flesh, meat. Omnivores both flesh and herbs. दो किस्म के एनिमल्स हमारे पास होते हैं, एक होता है लोअर फॉर्म्स और दूसरा होता है हायर फॉर्म्स. इन लोअर फॉर्म्स देयर इज नो वेल डेवलप्ड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ingestion takes place through the skin of the animal. Whereas in case of higher forms like man, it is complex and the mode of nutrition is holozoic. Heterotropic की type है holozoic. There are 5 steps in the process of nutrition in higher animals like man: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion means intake of food. Digestion means the conversion of complex food into simpler ones. Absorption, the digested food gets absorbed in the digestive tract and transported to all the body parts. Assimilation, this digested food, this absorbed food is used up in obtaining energy and formation of new components for the repair and growth of cells. And the final step is ingestion, in which the undigested material and digested food are thrown out of the body as fecal matter. Thank you. Goodbye.